Hi guys, today I'm going to test about the COVID-19 from the CVS. So I will begin the process right now on the right through window. Thank you for watching.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright, so there's going to be a total of 6 items in the bag. I'm going to go through all of them with you, okay?
Yeah.
You're going to only end up taking out 4 of the items, okay?
Yeah.
So,
Hello everybody. I just finished the test from CVS. So in my experience is that they will ask you to do by yourself. First, they will provide the pack like this, and they have the swab for your nose, and they have the tooth to collect the sample. Later that, they will ask you to put the swab 15 seconds in each nose, and later we will put the sample inside the bag and return to the box after we finish doing the sample. So that's in my experience. This is if you put the swab inside your nose, you will cry, and you feel something very stick inside your nose, and you collect the sample and you feel very weird. And I want to say that if you do by yourself, you will very itchy on your nose too. Thank you for watching. So that's the end of my experience about CVS collect the sample for COVID-19. Thank you for watching.